So,
Hello everyone, it's Stein Burrow here, and we're going to open these Psycho Drive packs.
yeah,
This is like part 5?
maybe, I don't know.
Yeah, 5
Who cares?
of our packs open.
Oh wow, it was epic. Okay.
My battery is dying, so if the video cuts off in the middle, that's
I'm
pretty
trying
normal.
to do fast. Okay. So we got
Delusion,
Yep.
Glutzle,
Meows.
Jellicent,
Yeah, and
and
energy.
Energy.
Okay, back to now. Oh, I so got the way now to open these. Why am I saying so bad? Okay, so code card here. Okay,
Panseer,
Ferroseed.
Ferroseed, Seedat. Ooh, Luxray. Nice. Starmie. I was about to say Staryu.
Yeah, I know. Yeah. Okay.
How could
Let's
I?
see. Oh, this works. This works. Okay, this works.
Yes. You work better under pressure, boy.
What pressure?
Of the battery.
That was so bad. You work better under pressure.
Sewaddle, Nuzleaf,
Anyway,
Pampor,
makes me feel like one of
Rheoniclus,
yeah, Reuniclus.
and Trainer.
I really want to play Gale of Darkness now. I want Secret Term Mewtwo because Mewtwo is so sexy.
As long as you don't have Shaman, I won't kill you.
Oh, if I get Shaman, you'll kill me.
Mien
And Fu.
Fu, yeah. Muna,
Meows
Meows,
again.
Simi, Seer, Trainer.
Yeah.
I always have a hard time with the fire monkey. I
Destroyed
don't know
it.
why I have a hard time with it.
I don't know. Basculin, which looks like a piranha here.
Basculin.
Yeah.
Grimer. Why did I? Anyway.
Because.
Swagloon. Cricketune. And Persian.
Yeah, Persian. I can now evolve Meows.
Open it. Like it's the last thing you'll be doing.
I don't want to die. Oh god. Wow.
Ooh,
no, you
something.
haven't seen anything.
Panseer. Ferroseed. Shinx. Ooh.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Nice.
That's a nice start. It's a rare. It's not a secret rare, by the way.
Yeah, that's the normal.
Which
X.
means I can't get something even better than this, and I'll
The
Zep Striker.
Striker.
Okay, so that's a good start for now.
Yep.
Mewtwo looks so good. I don't have a Mewtwo plushie with who I can sleep though, so that's bad. Okay, I'll stop that. No, I won't. In fact.
Oh,
I find it to be boring.
Minxino.
Yeah.
Muna.
Again.
Blitzle. Articuno.
Oh, yeah.
Pretty Articuno.
And Jellicent again.
Jellicent.
Mr. Pringles.